Ka kertong jong ka Seng Congress ka kong Bethleen Dkhar na West Shillong ka loong bahaba pet bat bishar benya eka jingwan kershan jong ipat ba eka Seng Congress ka nget scam bakam dan jing artatin ban job hagani ki election. Haba krench kilat pathai khobor hadin ka jingthap kerteng menta ka hanyo tarik urempang arhajar arkhulai ka loong bakimat bakong san bakabu hakhamat kalong ban pen kup bor ki kenthai ban pen yo eka hok jing ki khna ban thau ki lat yo kam yo ajam nak benta ki khun samla bat ki we de.
Judging by the response of the supporters in the 18 West constituency, I have no doubt that we are going to win this election. Well, I have certain issues regarding women empowerment. I also have issues regarding the employment generation for the youth. Another thing is, child rights and, of course, security of the people of my constituency. But in the end of the day, what I have been promising to the people is nothing but to be a very good listener so that I can be a representative, I can be a voice and address their problems in the assembly should I be elected.
Haba juba halor ke jingkeli baka Seng Congress kalong kom ka jahat balangam ka kong Bethleen kalong bakam nget yakata namar kalatre na du usnam khat khandai spa khandai phopara bat kani ka Seng kadan ka Kyrmen baka Seng Congress kan wan Biang hakabor khamtam hakajala bat ka than chatei lamingi barok koi.
Well, I have always been with the Congress. I started working with the Congress in 1998 and I don't like to hop, skip and jump parties, and therefore I believe that the Congress will be coming back to power. Judging from the present situation, I believe and I strongly know that the Congress will come back to power not only in the state of Meghalaya but the entire Northeast as well.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawala wan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawala wan kapor ka jingkela